Hi, everyone. My name is Katie. I'm the Customer Success Manager here at PatentBots. And in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at one of our most requested features. And we are very excited to share it with our customers. That is the Exportable Patent Family Tree. So now you can take a complete look of your patent families and export them in just a few clicks. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to use. Right from the PatentPlex starting page, we can begin with a patent number. You can see here, you can enter any one of the following formats. Down at the bottom of the overview page is where you're finding the patent family tree. So, taking a look at this beautiful patent family tree that we have automatically created, here at the top right, you're going to now see an export to SVG button. What we can do is go ahead and export this, and you can then save it into different file formats. So, if you'd like to share a client's patent family tree with them, you can save it and easily share it with them. It's also a great way to prepare any of your client pitches. If you want to pull up a patent family tree, you can export it and use it for those pitches. Thank you so much. Have a great day.